What's going on, folks? I want to make this video for those of you all who may like to use premium gas in your vehicle. A lot of times people may think that using premium gas in your vehicle actually helps your vehicle to run better, as well as it may have certain cleaners inside of it that will clean your fuel injector heads as well as your fuel. In reality, if your vehicle does not call for premium fuel inside of it, it really does nothing to help your vehicle at all. So when you use premium gas in your vehicle, you're basically just throwing away money. If your vehicle calls for regular unleaded gas, that's what you should be using, because there's no real benefits that you're going to be getting from using premium gas. But on the other hand, if your vehicle does call for premium gas and you're using regular gas, now you could actually cause problems. The reason that vehicles that call for premium gas need to use premium gas is because a lot of times the premium gas is required in engines that are more powerful, that has a more powerful, say, combustion inside of the cylinders. So therefore, if you have a more powerful engine, the reason that you want to use premium gas is because if you don't use premium gas, because it's more, premium gas, first of all, is more stable. So the reason that you want to use premium gas where you're supposed to use it at, because the manufacturers of the engine know that that particular engine may get hot quicker because it's more powerful. And the difference about premium gas is that it's formulated to where it won't combust until it hits the proper temperature to combust. So if you're using regular gas, which is less stable gasoline, what'll happen is if you put that into a vehicle that is meant for premium gas, it's going to start combusting when it's not supposed to. So therefore, what you're going to have is a loss of gas mileage. You'll wind up with a whole lot of different problems because that gas, regular gas, is not stable to be used in an engine that calls for premium gas. So you want to make sure that if your car calls for premium gas, that you use premium, because if not, like I said before, what'll happen is the regular gas that you use it is not as stable, which means that once that temperature inside of your combustion chamber, your cylinders, gets a certain temperature, it's going to combust before it's supposed to, which means that you're going to be having problems with the way your vehicle is running. So, but if you want to do something to your vehicle, basically to kind of help clean the gas out of it, to get your fuel injectors clean, what I would recommend that you do is just get you some fuel injection cleaner. You can use this inside of your vehicle, because what this is going to do is go into your vehicle and it's going to help to clean off your fuel injector heads. It's going to get any type of a buildup, anything like that that could be blocking your fuel injector heads, that can cause it to start, having a hard run, having a shake or something like that when you're sitting at a stoplight. So I would recommend that if you're having any problems like this with your vehicle, that instead of trying to use premium gas, I hope that's going to help it, get you some fuel injector cleaner. You also can get some gas treatment also. These two things are actually different. A lot of people think that gas treatment as well as fuel injection cleaner is the exact same thing. They're not. Gas treatment is used specifically for treating your gas. It helps to stabilize your gas, and say you have water inside of it. It helps to try to stabilize your gas, as well as some of them actually have like a anti-corrosive additives to it that can help with your gas tank itself if it's having like problems with rust or something like that, to where gas treatment will be good for that. And some of it actually you can get this actual combination of both. It's a gas treatment slash fuel injector cleaner. But if you're having problems, you think, with your fuel injectors, I would say buy a fuel injector cleaner that's formulated only for that. Because when it's formulated just for that, that means that the job that it's going to do is basically going to focus in on cleaning those fuel injector heads off of it, towards getting one that's kind of like a hybrid that's meant to kind of help your gas as well as clean your fuel injectors. It's kind of like a one size fits all. So if you're not having no major problems with your vehicle and you just want to put something inside of it to kind of help with your gas as well as fuel injector cleaners, then you can go ahead and do that. But if you're having issues with your vehicle, especially where you're having, like I said, with shaking and losing gas mileage and all that with your vehicle, then you want to go ahead and try some fuel injection cleaner that's specifically going to go in and help clean those fuel injector heads that can get buildup on it that can cause them not to spray out correctly. And also, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and put fuel injector cleaner as well as gas treatment inside of your vehicle at the same time. Just make sure you read the bottles to make sure that whatever you get says not to mix it. But on most of them, you'll be able to put fuel injector cleaner as well as gas treatment inside of your gas tank, and it shouldn't create any problems at all. They're basically designed to where they both should do their job into your gas tank. So once again, I want to say that, like I said, first of all, if you have a vehicle that doesn't call for premium gas, you stop using premium gas. That's not helping your vehicle at all. All you're basically doing is throwing away money because the premium gas has no effect on a vehicle doesn't call for that. And at the same time, if you're using regular gas in a vehicle that calls for premium gas, you could be causing some major problems inside of your car's motor. So therefore, what you want to do is go ahead and make sure that you're using premium gas when the vehicle calls for premium gas. I know it can be kind of expensive to use premium all the time, but it's going to be even more expensive if you mess up the inside of your engine compartments. So therefore, you want to make sure that you're using the correct gas that your vehicle calls for. Now, using premium gas in your vehicle that calls for regular gas normally doesn't cause any problems, other than the fact that it's going to cost you extra money that you're not really getting no bang for your buck with because it's not doing too much. So like I said, if you think you're having an issue with your vehicle, and also remember that regardless to what type of gas that your vehicle calls for, premium or regular, using fuel injection cleaners and gas treatment will benefit both types of vehicle. So it's not that these things right here are only meant for vehicles who use regular gas. These also can be used in your vehicle that use premium gas also. Because like I said, what this one does is cleans your fuel injector heads. Those things can get dirty. You can have carbon buildup. You can have gook or something like that gets stuck in them that makes it hard to spray out. And this will help clean it. And then your gas treatment helps to stabilize your gas, as well as it helps just kind of go through your system to kind of clean up some stuff inside of it. Both of these a lot of times can make a big difference in your gas mileage as well as just the performance of your engine. So alright folks, I want to make this video for you all who may be having problems with your vehicle and may have been using premium gas hoping that it will make it run better, to let you know that's not going to help. So what you need to do is get you some fuel injector cleaner or some gas treatment. And also, like I said, if your vehicle calls for premium gas, make sure that you're using premium gas, because if you're not, you can definitely cause some major issues. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.